Welcome students. In a series of fraction, today's topic is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. We have understood that multiplication is repeated addition. How? Like this, 5 times 4 equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And we can write in a form of multiplication like this, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. 5 fours are 20. In similar way, let us take 5 times 1 by 7. Here 1 by 7 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. 5 times 1 by 7 equals to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. And we can write it in a form of multiplication. 5 multiply 1 by 7 equals to 5 by 7. It means we can say that whole number multiply by fraction. Here 5 is a whole number and 1 by 7 is a fraction. Whole number multiply by fraction equals to whole number multiply by numerator of the fraction by denominator of the fraction. So here 5 ones are 5, that is whole number multiply numerator, that is equals to 5, and denominator of the fraction is 7, so that will be here 7. Let us solve one more question. See here, 8 multiply 5 by 6. Here 8 is a whole number and 5 by 6 is a fraction. So at first what we will do, we will multiply the whole number and numerator of the fraction. It means we will write 8 multiply 5 by 6. Denominator of the fraction will be same. Now 8 fives are 40. So we can write here 40 by 6. Now if you will observe this, you can find out that 40 and 6 can be simplified. Here is a common factor which is 2. Let us divide in 40 by 2 and in 6 by 2. So here it is 20 by 3. Now 20 by 3 is an improper fraction, and I have already told you whenever you will find your answer in a form of improper fraction, convert it into mixed number. So to convert it into mixed number, we will divide in 20 by 3. So now it is 6 and 2 by 3. 6 is the question, that is our whole number part. 2 is the remainder, so we will write it as numerator, and 3 will be the denominator. 6 and 2 by 3. Let us take one more question. Here it is 4 multiply 1 by 4. 4 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a fraction. So at first we will multiply whole number and numerator. It means 4 multiply 1 by 4. Now 4 ones are 4, so it is 4 by 4, and we know that 4 by 4 is equals to 1. Let us do one more question. 34 multiplied by 5 by 51. Here 34 is a whole number, 5 by 51 is a fraction. So we will multiply whole number and numerator. So like this, 34 multiplied by 5 by 51. Now we can multiply 34 and 5, and afterwards we can simplify. But here I am going to tell you one more method in which we will simplify at this stage. How? We know that 34 is a numerator and 51 is a denominator. So we will find out the common factor of 34 and 51, and that is 17. So when we divide in 34 by 17, we will get 17 twos are 34, it means 2, and when we divide in 51 we will get 17 threes are 51. It means after simplify we will get like this, 2 into 5 by 3. Now it is very easy to calculate. 2 5s are 10, it means 10 by 3, and because it is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed number, that is 3 and 1 by 3. Now just do one more question. Here it is 75 multiply 19 by 100. Here 75 is a whole number and 19 is a numerator. So we will multiply whole number and numerator. It means 75 multiplied by 19 by 100. Here also we will do simplification part here. So how we can simplify? We know that 75 and 100, which is numerator and denominator, and there is a common factor the common factor is 25. So we can divide in 75 by 25, we can get 3, and when we divide in 100 by 25, we will get 4. 25 fours are 100. So here 3 into 19 by 4. Now it is very easy to calculate. We will multiply 3 into 19, and we know the table of 19. 19 threes are 57 and denominator is 4. So we will write 4 here. Now because it is an improper fraction, we will convert it into mixed number. So we will divide in 57 by 4 and we will get 14 and 1 by 4. Very easy it is. When we multiply one fraction by another fraction, we multiply numerators together and we multiply denominators together. It means product of fractions equals to product of numerators by product of denominators. So how? Let us see one example. 3 by 5 multiply 12 by 15. Here numerator is 3 in 3 by 5 and in 12 by 15 numerator is 12. So we will multiply numerators, it means 3 multiply 12, and we will multiply denominators, it means 5 multiply 15. Here we can multiply the numerators and denominators, we can find out the products, and after that we can simplify our final answer. Or we can do one more thing that I am going to explain to you, that is we can cut here also. Like this, we know that 3 and 15 both have common factor 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. We can do like this also. Now it is more simplified. It means 12 by 5 into 5. And we know that 5 fives are 25. So it is 12 by 25. So it is our final product of fractions 3 by 5 and 12 by 15. Now let us take one more question, that is 5 by 18 multiply 54 by 45. Here numerators are 5 and 54 and denominators are 18 and 45. So we will multiply 5 multiply 54 and 18 multiply 45. Now again we can observe the numerators and denominators and we will find out the common factor. So here we can say that 5 and 45 both have common factor, which is 5. So we can divide in 5 and 45 by 5, and 18 and 54 we can divide by 18 and 54 also, because 18 is a common factor of 54 and 18. So how we can do that? Just see, 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. And here 18 ones are 18 and 18 threes are 54. Now we will just multiply 1 threes are 3 and 1 nines are 9. So here 3 by 9. Now we can simplify this 3 by 9 by dividing 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. It means 1 by 3 is our final answer. One more question. Here 1 and 7 by 8 multiply 3 and 1 by 5. Both are mixed numbers. So I have told you, whenever there are mixed numbers, we need to convert it into improper fraction. So here 8 ones are 8 plus 7, that is 15 by 8, multiply 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. We have converted mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now we will multiply numerators and denominators respectively. So here 15 multiply 16 and 8 multiply 5. Now again we can simplify at this stage also. How? Very simple it is. Through practice, you can do it very fast. 5 ones are 5, and here 5 threes are 15, because 5 is a common factor of 15 and 5. Then here common factor of 8 and 16 is 8. So we can divide by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So now what are our remaining questions? 3 and 2. It means 3 twos are 6. 6 is our final answer. Now let us do one more question. Here it is. 3 and 11 by 15 multiply 1 and 42 by 63. These are also mixed numbers. So at first we will convert these into improper. So 15 threes are 45 plus 11. It means 56 by 15 multiply 63 ones are 63 plus 42 105 by 63. Now what we will do, we will just multiply numerators and denominators. It means we will write like this: 56 multiply 105 and 15 multiply 63. Now here we can simplify at this stage. So I am going to teach you how to simplify at this stage. So like this, we know that 56 and 63. The common factor of 56 and 63 is 7. And we know that 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63. And we know that 15 and 105, the common factor is 15. 15 ones are 15 and 15 sevens are 105. It means in numerator we have 8 multiply 7 and in denominator it is 9. Now we will just simply multiply numerators. 8 sevens are 56 by 9 equals to 56 by 9, and we will convert it into mixed number. It is 6 and 2 by 9. So it is our final answer. Now, my dear students, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So do practice. Goodbye.